हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल। आज की वीडियो बहुत ही इन्फॉर्मेटिव होने वाली है क्योंकि आज की वीडियो है ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश वर्सेस अमेरिकन इंग्लिश। एज इन इंडिया मोस्ट स्कूल्स एंड पीपल फॉलो ब्रिटिश इंग्लिश, लेकिन कुछ बहुत ही कॉमन वर्ड्स हैं जो हमारे डेली लाइफ में यूज होते हैं। सो हेयर वी मेंशन अराउंड 30 वर्ड्स एंड देयर ब्रिटिश एंड अमेरिकन ऑल्टरनेट्स। सो गाइज, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। In US English, pants. In UK English, trousers. In US English, cookies. In UK English, we call it biscuits. In US English, garbage can. In UK English, dustbin. In American English, elevator. In British English, lift. In American English, we call it cell phone. In UK English, it is called mobile phone. In US, it's called chips. In UK, it's called crisps. In US English, it's called gas. In UK English, it's called petrol. In US English, sweater. In UK English, jumper. In US English, we call it vacation. In UK English, holiday. In US English, drug store. In UK English, chemist. In US English, crib. In UK English, coat. In US English, it's called trunk. In UK English, boot. In US English, it's called soccer. In UK English, it is called football. In US English, mailbox. In UK English, post box. In US English, jump rope. In UK English, skipping rope. In US English, vest. In UK English, waistcoat. In US English, suspenders. In UK English, braces. In US English, cab. In UK English, taxi. In US English, couch. In UK English, sofa. In US English, purse. In UK English, handbag. In US English, apartment. In UK English, flat. In US English, closet. In UK English, wardrobe. In US English, pacifier. In UK English, dummy. In US English, movie theater. In UK English, cinema. In US English, schedule. In UK English, timetable. In US English, trash. In UK English, garbage. In US English, food. In UK English, bonnet. In US English, gas station. In UK English, petrol station. In US, corn. In UK, maize. In US, razor. In UK, rubber. In US English, French fries. In UK, chips. In US, faucet. In UK, tap. In US, eggplant. In UK, aubergine or brinjal in South Asia. In US English, bike. In UK English, bicycle. In US English, motorcycle. In UK, motorbike. In US, front desk. in UK reception. थैंक यू। अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी है तो चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना मत भूलना ताकि इस तरह की वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। थैंक यू सो मच। चाओ।